Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to post now. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that the group allows your posts. Once signed in, go straight to Groups. Google.com or the Groups app and open the group you'll post in. Click New Topic or Post to open the Compose window. This is the live workspace where you add a subject, write your message, and attach files. Keep your subject concise so readers know the purpose before they open the message. Start by entering a descriptive subject. That helps busy members decide to open the message. In the body, use headings, bullet lists, and bold for emphasis so your key points stand out. Attach files or images with the paperclip icon. If a link is essential, paste it and use the link tool to keep the text tidy. Before sending, check the visibility or posting options. Some groups let you post publicly, others restrict to members or require moderator approval, so choose correctly. Preview the message to catch typos and ensure attachments load, then click Post or Send. If you're unsure, save a draft and return later. Once done, monitor email or the group thread for replies and moderation notices. If the post is held, the moderator will review it and either publish or return it with instructions. If posting fails, confirm your permissions, try another browser or clear cache, and contact the group owner or moderator with a screenshot so they can diagnose the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.